unicorns, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create full cut crease eye makeup look. So let's play with the colors. First I'm evening out the skin of my hand with foundation. Now I'm gonna draw the eyebrow with black eyebrow pencil. And then I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with black eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna draw the eye. This time I'm thinking of drawing brown lens. Yes. Okay, so back to our eye makeup. I'm applying blue eyeshadow to the crease and blending it as well. I'm applying a small amount of product at a time to the same. Now lighter shade of blue and blend this lighter shade with the darker shade of blue. Now the real part of our eye makeup, cutting the crease. This time I'm using a flat brush to cut the crease. Last time I used a different brush to cut the crease. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. But after watching this video, take a flat brush, dip it in your concealer and then cut the crease. Be careful. What you gotta do here is cut the crease just above your natural crease, just above, not too high. Now just try to remove this concealer completely with the help of a wipe. Look, we have got the perfect full cut crease. Now for the lid, I'm gonna apply a pink shade. I'm giving the eye a little touch up. I'm finishing off this full cut crease eye makeup look by drawing eyelashes. You can finish your eye makeup look by applying false eyelashes onto your eye. Here you have it, guys. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and everyone else. And don't forget to subscribe. And follow me on my socials for more crazy eye looks. And thanks for watching.